Hi first grade families, just wanted to show you a quick video on how you can help make your child's iPad run possibly a little bit more efficiently. One of the things that I would like for your children to do would be at the end of every day, make sure that all of the apps that your child used for the day get closed out. In order to see all of those apps that might still be running in the background, you need to tap twice on your child's home button on their iPad. This will show you all of the apps that your child has used either today or recently since the last time you closed them. In order to close each of these apps out, you simply swipe up on every app. It takes not much time at all, and the more often you do this on a daily basis, the less apps you will see. That can help it run smoothly. Another thing that you should do is check Safari for all open tabs that might still be there. So Safari is like the internet for iPads. It's similar to Internet Explorer or Firefox on regular computers, but on the iPad it is Safari. So if your child taps open there, you will see that there are lots of open tabs of things that your child has had to watch or visit in order to access their learning for the day. The more you have up here, the slower it will be. So in order to close them down, you'll see that there's a little X box on the top left corner of each one where you can tap on it and it will close it down. And when you do this, it's kind of like on our phones. We have to close down all of the apps in order to help our phones run smoothly. The last thing that you can also do, a quick tip for how your child can access their schedule without having to continue to go into Seesaw all the time, and your child might already be doing this, but if not, when your child accesses their Seesaw and finds their schedule for the day, remember that they will have to tap on it twice in order to open it. Now it turned into a Google Doc, and it is active, so you can swipe to see all of the schedules for the rest of the day. Once they close it out and go back into another app or do another activity, let's say that they finished their RAS Kids for the day and now they need to go back to their schedule to see where they go next, instead of going into Seesaw, just have them check Safari. It should be open for them there, and that way they can access it without having to go back into Seesaw each time. Just remember to have them close all apps and tabs by the end of the day every day. Hopefully this will help your child's iPad run a little bit more smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget to charge them every night